This week at the shop, what have we got going on? Maybe the action on the Chrysler. Oh yep. My guess is maybe a cam swap. So this is the front entrance to the shop. Showroom, I take it, I guess. This is this week's build, so that's the engine room. So you can look through and see what they're working on. There's ash in there. It's actually the bumper. This is all my chrome stuff here, eh?
Maybe you can take it with you if you can.
Yeah. So that's my grill off my car and all these. Yeah, all those are mine too. To take that stuff home. Oh, a seat. What about that seat? That's for the Apache. Man, that is mad. I'll have to show some of the Apache build for sure when that comes back. It's actually at the panel shop at the moment. That seat. Man, look at that. I think this was made in the States. That's really cool. So yep, got oils, got parts. Motors there. This is the actual front clip off the drag car. Yeah, just sitting in the showroom. Good little Corvette Stingray back in the shop. They've done work on this before, quite a bit I think. But I think it's got a damaged sump or something like that, maybe a cracked sump. So hopefully the engine's still good. That sounds awesome, eh? You gonna guide him up? Shop for a few minor touch-ups and little things that need tweaking on it, but yeah, you can see this on the NZV8 magazine. It's just turned out pretty mad. It's on the same as the second one they're doing, so it's on a Hilux chassis. It's still running the Hilux diff. The adjustables in the rear. Tara's just doing a few, tweaking a few things on it. Pretty cool. Done 1,537 miles on the links. Hey. This is running Vitec 347 stroker Paxton supercharger. A lot of hours went into this thing. wheels on the back, I think they're 12. I don't know, I could be wrong. I think they're 12 inch. Wide. I'm not sure about the fronts, probably 9s or 10s. Right, so the boys have been busy at the shop today, or all week actually. Bit more work on the Chrysler. Chipping away at a few rust patches. So the motor, it's a 383 car. The motor ended up being it's a 440. So 440 big block. So they've whipped that out there. We're going to just do the cam, but they've ended up doing bearings and stuff like that. Just a quick freshen up. Chuck the cam in and the motor's all back together. And Liam, a man of many talents, has cleaned up the engine bay. It's real dark in here. There's some light in here, but yep, so it's all blacked under the bonnet, black. So I think the big push is to get this complied and road legal to get it to beach shop next month. I think Steve's gonna, that's the plan. Take this beach down to beach shop. It's come up really good. You guys can't really see it that good because the light is average. But yeah, looks mint. So here's the motor out of it. Slap that back together. Like I say, quick freshen up. Where's the 440? It's stamped on the front, eh?
On the front, on the top.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. 440. Did you measure it all up?
Yeah, it's got 3 and 3/4 inch stroke.
Oh yeah. So it's a 3 3/4 inch stroke from what I'm told. Quick freshen up, get on the road. And some new, what have we got there? Edelbrock air cleaner. Just some black Edelbrock rocker covers to tidy it up. Make it look sweet in the black engine bay. In the assembly room today, we've got a 350 Chevy rebuild from a customer. Blowing. This is all the blower parts here. 671. Carbureted. Yeah, that should be a cool little motor. Throw out a few ponies. Pro Max heads. Gun on it. Over in the corner here, they got a another customer motor that's all done. I'm pretty sure it's a 4x4 Chevy. Little twin tunnel rooms hiding under there. Hey Liam, how's it going?
Good mate, how are you?
Oh, good mate, good. What's on the agenda today?
Oh, maybe cut out some bit of rust and clean up my mess from painting.
Oh, I see your painting, it looks good. Might get a paint booth one day.
Oh, that'd be nice. Maybe a spray gun first would be nice.
Don't you like the rattle cans?
No, I had to use my own.
Oh, bringing your own gear into work.
Yeah.
You got that bit there. You have to do this bit under here too, I guess so.
Yeah. Everything, mate. Got to get recomplied.
So she ain't going to be no show car.
Oh, she'll be a show.
It's fair to say.
Sure.
But you got to cut the rust down and do it properly, I guess.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
like someone's just put some, I don't know what that is under there.
There was chicken wire on the other side.
Oh, chicken wire. Yeah, I've seen that in seen that before in a few bloody imports. So,
Yeah.
floors are mint, eh?
Yeah. So I've just Brunoxed those floors.
Oh yeah,
Obviously wire wheeled them first and then Brunoxed them.
yeah.
Get all the like surfacing rust off.
I can't believe how good that dash is, eh? It's pretty mint, except for that one little crack in it. Satin black the whole car, it'd be sweet.
I reckon.
Yeah, do it.
Only thing is I have to do inside these doors. It's just gonna be a mission. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you'd have to do those. Of course, painting here in Mike's Engine's all new, so I might have to call it Mike's Engines
And paint both.
and panel and paint and fabrication, and just bring your car here and we'll do it all.
Yeah, one-stop shop.
One-stop shop. Yeah, I like that satin black, eh? It's the same that I used on my Galaxy. It's
It's so easy to put on.
goes on real easy, yeah.
And like it doesn't
What?
run heaps.
No, where's the can? That's it.
It seems like it.
White Knight Rust Guard Epoxy Enamel. 5-year guarantee. Can't go wrong.
Huh?
5-year guarantee.
Warranty. Looks a little bit better in the light. Much better than what it was. Masking lines look good. Primo. Okay, car's in the air. See the rust. Big bit of rust there. I'm just gonna use these flappy wheels on the grinder. Just take all that paint back to about 3 inches below that chrome line, and then I'll have to clean right up till here. There's lead through there, so I don't really want to dig into that too much. Come back here, finish all that back nicely. Coming to the back, more rust. I'll grind right up to about an inch below that chrome line on this side, right back to the rear bumper. Try to do a time lapse for you guys. Well, I just made a mess of things. See, she's pretty holy. Big hole there. She was full of bog. Still is too. Have to fix that.
So Liam's gone around and cut out the rust. There's a bit there they've cut out, and another piece on the same side, which is exactly the same place, which is a bit weird. Well, it's rotted out there, and it's sort of just back behind this the seam as well. There's another bit over there. Alright, that's going to do it for this video, guys. If you made it this far, you made it to the end, awesome, you're all legends. If you liked it, hit the like button, hell, even subscribe, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.